right, so this is our Memory Masters video for English. If you're doing Memory Masters or if you're doing Subject Masters English, here's how test day will look. All right, so we have our Cycle 3 English information, and what you see is what you get. So when you get to this test day, your tutor, not in order from week 1 to 24, but mixing up questions, is going to ask exactly what's in bold. Okay? If I were a tutor and I were asking, this is my advice, I would do all of our irregular verbs at one time, okay? So I would say, okay, we're going to do all of our irregular verbs, and I would kind of ask them out of order, okay? I might group similar ones, but I would just go ahead and ask out of order. In fact, yes, let's group similar ones, because some of these songs do go together, maybe for children. So, I would just say, okay, let's do some irregular verbs. And then I would literally say what's written. To write. And the student is to say, to write, write, writes, wrote, writing, written. They do not need to say any of these gray words ever. Okay, if it's in gray, they don't say. But they can go ahead and answer the question. They can sing. They're perfectly welcome to. They do need to be in order here because we are doing them in order of the verb principal parts here. So let's say I ask to lie. So I say to lie, and the student says to lie, lie, lies, lay, lying, laying. Make sure that you are asking your student at home and teaching them to enunciate really well. Because when I say the word laying, the tutor might hear lay, they might hear laid, and the last thing we want at a test day when their stress is already a little high is for the tutor to have to say, I'm sorry, say that again? What was that last word? And have to ask a few times and make the student nervous. So as you practice at home, really get them to say lane and practice that N at the end, or laid. Really have them enunciate, especially here. These are hard to hear. Even these can be hard to hear. Are they saying sat or set? I don't know. So, so just teach them to enunciate so that we can eliminate the tutors having to get them to repeat too many times. And again, for the other parts, we are literally saying what's in bold. All right, let's do sentence parts. Sentence parts, subject. Tell me, what is the subject? Sentence parts, predicate. What is the predicate? And having the student just answer. And again, just kind of hopping around with these other definitions. And that is English. Again, make sure your students know every answer for English before you send them to be tested, okay? They need to be getting none wrong at home by the time we're ready to test. If they're still struggling, if they still can't get it, let me know. And you celebrate at home, and we will adjust accordingly on our end. All right, good luck with English, guys.